Here's how to create a dynamic drop-down list in Excel. So over here, I got a list of products, and I want to create a dynamic drop-down list based on these products. So what I can do is that I can use this function called unique. Then I select this array. Next, I want them to be sorted in ascending order. So I can use this function called sort, and I wrap this unique function. And now I got my list sorted nicely. Then next, I select anywhere that I want to put the drop-down list, and I go to data and select data validation. And over here, I choose a list, and I click on the list that I've created just now, which is this C2. And next, it's the magic. Add a hashtag sign at the end and click on OK. And now I got my dynamic drop-down list. So over here, I can see that I got A until E. Let's say I add a new product over here. And now I got it over here as well at the drop-down list. And I can add a new one. And it is updated automatically. And because I have used this unique function over here, so even if there's a duplicate over here, my list is still unique. So definitely try it out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.